Hey, Tim's Workshop here. Today we're going to do some exterior work on the RV. The weather stripping seals around the slide need to be replaced, and I got some new material to do it. I'll turn the camera around here and show you what we're doing. So right here, this seal is coming apart. It's all it's anything that's rubber eventually wears out, so I'm taking this off slowly, taking a putty knife and otherwise it'll just come off in little pieces if I just try to rip it off. So like this piece down here, you just keep working at it, but you hang on to it with the other hand so you keep a little tension on it. So this piece goes all the way across the bottom. This one goes all the way up to the top. There's another one that goes across the top. And then what goes against it is this rubber bulb seal. See? And once that rubber bulb seal's up against it, which is pretty decent shape still, that'll keep the water out of it when the slide is all the way in, all right? When you're in storage, which is important. This piece is coming apart, so I'm going to take that screw out, put a longer screw in, and hopefully get that all the way up the way it's supposed to be. I'm going to clean it out with some alcohol and then put some sealant in there and then run it down with sealant on the screw as well. Alright, so this is what I'm using. Bought this online. It's made in China. High density adhesive foam. Okay, so this is actually for campers, so it's exterior. So it's actually got 2 strips in there, but I have two more rolls of this stuff, so should be enough to go all the way around. All right. Well, I got it on. I put sealant in behind that strap. I put in in behind this lower piece and screw that in. It's all the way up tight now, and got the new foam on, which is a 1/4 inch thick. I think it's even thicker than the original. The original was probably 3/16, but it doesn't matter. I mean, the slide comes in and stops anyway, so 3/16 to a 1/4 inch is not good. In fact, I'd rather have the 1/4 inch thick. Yep. But I got all the way up, overlapped up there. Yep, and I did the same thing up there. I did some sealing up there and between the 2 straps. One strap here that goes vertical, and then there's 2 horizontal straps. One horizontal strap that goes that way, and this one down here that was loose. Now I'm working at getting these apart. This is what what I had left out of just a half of that is this, and see, it's got some reinforcement on the back too, along with the adhesive, and it sticks really good. So yeah, so this is going to work good. So I'm going to do the bottom one, and then this side here, half of it's already gone. Look at this stuff, it just breaks apart. And I got to do some I got to rip this crap off. I got some glue in here and I got the screw in there, but it didn't really catch on anything, so we'll fix that. It's missing a couple screws here. We'll fix that, get it all sealed up, get all this crap off of here, and this seal's starting. But these seals here are for when it's out and it's raining. So if you have it level and the water's going to come off of this, you're not going to get water inside, and the main thing is having the seals on there for when it's closed. And you don't want it leaking when it's closed for sure, because that's 95% of the time the slide is closed. You know, you only use it for a little bit with the slide out, so unless you're living in it, then it's a whole different story. Yeah, but eventually all these seals need to be replaced. But by that time, we'll have a different RV anyway. Whoever gets this will get some improvements, that's for sure. All right, so I have all this top seal removed, and this end right here is got a gap right here. Needs to be sealed and re-screwed in, and here's a screw I took out, all rusted and broke off, so we're going to fix that. Alright, so I got that all screwed in tight and sealed up, ready. I'm going to wipe this strap down with alcohol for getting some of the dirt off of it, so this stuff will stick. Alright, we'll put that on and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so got it on all the way down. Yep. So that'll work good. Yep. All right. Now the bottom. Okay, the bottom, I have a strip that goes across here. I'm going to have to fix these screws. The screws aren't long enough and they're not the right screws. So we'll get that fixed. And it looks like it needs some seal underneath it too, so we'll fix that. And then let me get underneath here. So the bottom's going to be in strips. So you can see there, still not in that bad a shape, but it's not the same thickness, you know, as what I got going up the side. So, and it does go against this bulb seal. So what we'll do is that'll be next. We'll take these lower strips off and replace them too, and then we'll be done. All right, I got it all done. All right, you can see the strip underneath here goes all the way across here, all the way over, all the way over to here, then up the side. Yep. It's funny how this kind of folds in right there. Huh. Interesting. I'm not sure why. But anyway, got it all the way across the top. So, yeah. The new weather seal. It's all done now. Yep. It's raining out here. Yeehaw. Time to go in. So that's it for the putting the weather stripping on the fifth wheel around the slide area. So you like the video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and give me a like. Thanks.